Namaste. Welcome you all for the yoga session. In this session, we are going to do an advanced form of sun salutation which combines many standing postures. Before that, we should do some basic stretchings for the core muscles. Lie on your back, fold both legs, heel closer to the hips, foot 6 inches apart, foot parallel. Keep an appropriate neck pad. As you inhale, the abdominal cavity should expand. As you exhale, it should contract. Sensitize the back muscles to the breathing. Watch your breathing. Breathe consciously. You can keep an appropriate neck pad. Stretch both arms up. Rise your right leg up. Stretch the heel, that is toes towards the knee. Pull the kneecap, tighten the quadriceps, that is the front of the thigh. Continue to breathe diaphragmatically, abdominally. That is, as you inhale, abdominal cavity should expand. As you exhale, it should contract. Feel the stretch in the back of the thigh. Fold the right leg, keep it down, chain, left leg up. Pull the kneecap, stretch the heel. Feel the stretch at the back of the thigh, that are the hamstring muscles, then the calf muscle. Feel the complete foot, left leg down. One more time. Right leg up. Pull the kneecap. These postures will help the muscles in the lower extremity and also the muscles around the hip and the lower back. Very essential to breathe consciously. Fold down, left leg again. Pull the kneecap. You should activate the complete posterior muscles of the leg. When you stretch the toes towards the knee, the Achilles tendon will stretch. It will induce a stretch in the calf muscle, which will induce a stretch in the hamstring. Down. Rise your right leg up. Hold the knee from both hands. Pull the knee towards the chest. Even here, stretch the heel, that is toes towards the knee. But watch your breathing. Slow inhalation, slow exhalation. Release right leg. Chain. Left leg up. Hold the knee. Pull the knee closer to the chest. Do not move the knee out of the axis. Pull it closer to the chest. Tighten the corners of both the knees. For this, you got to squeeze the back of the thigh and the calf muscles. Release left leg. One more time, right leg. Hold the knee, press the knee towards the chest. This movement especially is good for the gluteal minimus and medius muscles. Also helps the muscles of the lower back. Release right leg. Chain. Left leg up. Fold. Hold the knee. Press the knee towards the chest. This is good for the muscles of the hips, back, knee also gets benefit. The abdominal muscles also get a rejuvenating effect. Release left leg. Right leg up. Fold from left hand. Hold the ankle joint. Pull the heel across the left thigh. Then push the right knee. Tighten the corners of both the knee. As you inhale, feel the base of the spine. Now this is a very good mild movement for the sacroiliac joint. Release right leg. Chain. Left leg. Fold. From right hand, hold the ankle joint. Pull it across the right thigh. Push the left knee. Breathe well. Ensure that the pelvis or the pelvic girdle does not rotate. Release left leg. Right leg up. Fold it across. Push the right knee. Watch your breathing. Especially sensitize the base of the spine. Get completely involved. Feel the posture, feel the breath. Release right leg. Chain. Left leg. Fold. Hold the knee. That is, push the knee from your left hand and pull the ankle joint from right hand. Release left leg. Right leg up. Fold. From left hand, hold the ankle joint. Pull. From right hand, push the knee across the chest. Keep the right heel active by stretching the toes towards the knee. You have to pull the ankle joint and push the knee across the chest. Release right leg. Chain. Left leg up. Fold. From right hand, hold the ankle joint, pull it. From left hand, push the knee across the chest. Ensure that the hip girdle does not rotate. This is an excellent stretch for the gluteus maximus muscle, which is one of the major muscles in the body. This also helps the muscles of the lower back. All these stretchings help the lower back muscles. Release left leg. One more time, right leg. Fold, pull the ankle joint and push the knee across the chest. So these postures prepare the so-called core muscles surrounding the lumbar, pelvis and hip region. These core muscles are very important in almost all the movements that we are going to do. Release right leg, chain, left leg. Properly toned core muscles will greatly reduce the chances of injuries. So that is the purpose why these postures are done as a preparatory mechanism. You got to watch your breath. Release left leg. Be relaxed. Slowly get up. Keep the folded blanket in front. Take the all fours position, knee on the blanket, knee below the hips, palm below the shoulders, trunk nearly parallel to the ground. As we inhale, the abdominal cavity should expand. As we exhale, it should contract. Middle fingers pointing forward. Inhale, exhale, bend back. Well, open the chest, look up. When you bend back, stretch the toes back, squeeze the calf muscle, tighten the buttocks. Inhale, come up. Then as you exhale, bend forward. Keep the palm pressed. Do not slide the palm. Palm should be fixed, firmly glued. Inhale, come up to all fours. Exhale, bend back, Bhujangasana. Well, open the chest and look up. Stretch the neck. Feel that stretch for the complete spinal column. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward. Press the palm. The palm should not feel loose when you bend forward. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend back. So this is also a preparatory movement for sun salutation. Inhale, come up to all fours. As you exhale, bend forward. Stretch the spine. Keep the arms straight. Do not flex the elbows. Press the palm. Take the forehead closer to the ground. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend back, Bhujangasana. This sequence helps the shoulders and especially the back. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward. These movements should be done very smoothly without any jerk. Slowly come up. Now we are prepared to do an advanced form of sun salutation. Stand upright. Keep a blanket behind you so that in case when you jump, your knee should not hit the floor. Stand in Namaskarasana, join the heel, join the big toe, pull the kneecap, chest and navel up, press the palm, look forward, forearms parallel to the ground, scapulae closer, inhale, stretch, exhale, bend back, Urdhvasana. You can split the palm. Bend as much as possible, but ensure that the legs are straight, buttocks are tight. Inhale, come up. Then exhale, flex the knee, Utkatasana. Thigh parallel to the ground. Inhale, exhale, bend forward, Uttanasana. If possible, press the palm by the side of the foot. Inhale, exhale, jump, Chaturanga. Legs and trunk parallel to the ground. Inhale, exhale, jump, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Stretch the toes back, tighten the calf muscle. Inhale, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Arms straight, legs straight. Now take your right leg forward, Uttita Trikonasana. From right hand, hold the ankle joint, both legs straight. Stretch your left arm, look up at your left palm. Both legs straight. Right foot should center the left foot. Come back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Arm straight, leg straight. Press the foot. Chain. Left leg forward. In one stride, the foot should come between the palm. Move to Trikonasana. Both arms stretched. Both legs straight. Press the outer edge of the right foot. Press the left foot evenly. Stretch both arms in line. Now come to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Arms straight, legs straight. And from here, jump Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. We'll open the chest. Move the shoulders back. Knee should not rest. Inhale, exhale, jump Chaturanga Dandasana. Then jump Uttanasana. Flex the knee. Come to Utkatasana. Then Stand up, Namaskarasana. Chest up, navel up. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend back. Keep the legs straight, arms straight. Bend as much as possible. Feel the stretch in the abdominal cavity, chest cavity. Inhale, come up. Flex the knee, Utkatasana. Now extend the knee, bend forward, Uttanasana. Press the palm by the side of the foot. From here, inhale, exhale, jump Chaturanga Dandasana, foot perpendicular, elbows closer to the trunk. Jump Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Well, open the chest, stretch the toes back, tighten the calf muscle, tighten the buttocks. Press the palm. Inhale, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Arms straight, legs straight. Pump the scapulae up and closer. Now take your right foot forward, take your right hand fingertips in front of the right foot, grip the right upper arm, right knee, turn, Utthita Parshva Konasana, right leg bent at 90 degrees, press the outer edge of the left foot, turn the trunk, stretch, tighten the right hamstring muscles, roll the left thigh out, inhale, exhale, come back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Most of the movements are done with exhalation, so match your action and the breathing. Adho Mukha Svanasana, arms straight, legs straight. Left leg forward, Utthita Parshva Konasana. Watch the movement of the arms. You should move the left hand fingertips, front of the left ankle, left leg bent at 90 degrees, stretch your right arm. Outer edge of the right edge, outer edge of the right foot you should press. Turn the trunk, turn the neck. Come to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Arms straight, legs straight. From here, jump Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Stretch the toes back. Jump Chaturanga Dandasana. Body parallel to the ground. Jump Uttanasana. The foot should come back to where it was, between the palm. Flex the knee, Utkatasana. Extend the knee, Namaskarasana. These movements help all our major muscles to get rejuvenated. Chest up, navel up. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend back. Bend as much as possible, but do not hold the breath. Feel the stretch. Arms straight, legs straight. Inhale, come up. Exhale, flex the knee, Utkatasana. Knee should not overshoot the toes. Extend the knee, bend forward, Uttanasana. Press the palm by the side of the foot. Stretch the spine. Activate the gluteal and hamstring muscles at the back of the thigh and the hip. Then inhale, exhale, jump Chaturanga Dandasana. Trunk and legs parallel to the ground. Press the palm. Inhale, exhale, jump Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Knee should not land on the floor. Stretch the toes. Well, open the chest. Inhale, exhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Hips up, head towards the floor. Arms straight, legs straight. Now move your right leg forward, bent at 90 degrees. Virabhadrasana. One, stretch both arms up. Press the outer edge of the left foot. Left leg straight. Bend the right leg at 90 degrees. Tighten the right hamstring muscle at the back of the thigh. Press the right foot. Now come to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Arms straight, legs straight. Watch your breathing. Experience the posture. Inhale, exhale. Take your left leg forward. Virabhadrasana. One. Stretch both arms up. Keep on stretching the arms up. Left thigh perpendicular to the floor. Bend forward, move to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Arms straight, legs straight. From here, jump Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Well, open the chest, shoulders back, Lift the neck up the clavicle and look up. Now jump Chaturanga Dandasana. Elbows closer to the trunk, foot perpendicular. And jump Uttanasana. Foot should come between the palms. Press the palm. Inhale, exhale, Utkatasana. Flex the knee, chest and navel up. Then slowly extend the knee, come to Namaskarasana. Press the palm. Feel the posture. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend back, Urdhvasana. This is a very good backward bend. It helps not only the spinal column but also the organs in the chest and the abdomen. Neck is also greatly helped. Inhale, come up. Exhale, flex the knee. Utkatasana helps the knee and other anti-gravity muscles, the quadriceps and the gluteal muscles. Inhale, exhale, bend forward, Uttanasana. Good for the hamstring and the gluteal muscles. Also help the spine. Press the palm. Inhale, exhale, jump Chaturanga Dandasana. Keep the elbows closer. Trunk and leg parallel to the ground. Inhale, exhale, jump Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Stretch the toes back. We'll open the chest. Do not lose track of the breath. Inhale, exhale, jump Adho Mukha Svanasana. The shoulder blades should move up and closer. Arms straight. Press the palm. Middle finger pointing forward. Now inhale, exhale, take your right leg forward. Virabhadrasana 2. Right knee bent at 90 degrees. Press the outer edge of the left foot. Stretch well. Tighten the right hamstring muscles. Move back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Arm straight, leg straight. Left leg forward, Virabhadrasana 2. Do not turn the hip girdle. Stretch both arms in line and look up at your left palm. Right leg straight. Move to Adho Mukha Svanasana. The placement of the palm and the foot, they are very important. In repetitive cycles, they should achieve the same position. Jump Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. So experience each posture. Develop that proprioceptive ability. Jump Chaturanga Dandasana. From here, jump Uttanasana. Legs straight. Flex the knee. Utkatasana. Very good for the knee and the foot. Slowly come up, Namaskarasana, press the palm. So we have combined 4 standing postures with sun salutation. Namaskarasana. From here, stretch both arms. Then as I exhale, bend back, Urdhvasana. Arms straight, legs straight. Inhale, come up. Exhale, flex the knee, Utkatasana. Look forward, chest up, navel up. Bend forward, Uttanasana. Press the palm by the side of the foot. Jump Chaturanga Dandasana. Jump Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Stretch the toes back, tighten the calf muscle. Jump Adho Mukha Svanasana, hip up, head down. Arm straight, leg straight. Right leg forward, Trikonasana again. Hold the ankle joint. Both legs straight, both arms stretched in the same line. Right foot to center of the left foot. Press the outer edge of the left foot. Come to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg forward. From left hand, hold the left ankle joint, Uttita Trikonasana. Ensure that the trunk, arms, legs are in the same plane. Feel the posture. Try to develop a great sense of musculoskeletal awareness. Move to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Jump Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. These movements help almost all muscles. Jump Chaturanga from tip to the toe. Jump Uttanasana. Flex the knee, Utkatasana. And slowly come up, Namaskarasana. These repetitive movements will greatly enhance the flexibility, strength and stability of all major joints in our system. From Namaskarasana, inhale, stretch, exhale, bend back. Arms straight, legs straight. But do not hold the breath. Inhale, come up. Then exhale, flex the knee, Utkatasana. Thigh parallel to the ground. Inhale, exhale, bend forward, Uttanasana. Press the palm by the side of the foot. Inhale, exhale, jump Chaturanga Dandasana. Watch the position of the toes, foot. Jump Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Now watch the position of the toes and the foot. They are in dorsiflexion. Now jump Adho Mukha Svanasana. The foot is in plantar flexion. Take your right leg forward, Uttita Parshva Konasana. Grip the right upper arm and right knee, turn, stretch your left hand. Press the outer edge of the left foot. Move to Adho Mukha Svanasana. In these movements, you should not forget the breathing. Be connected with your breath. Inhale, exhale, left leg forward, keep left hand fingertips in front of the left foot, grip the left upper arm, left knee, turn, stretch your right arm. Tighten the left hamstring muscles. Roll the right thigh, press the outer edge of the right foot. Come back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. In Adho Mukha Svanasana, the foot is in dorsiflexion. Now jump Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, it gets into the plantar flexion. So complete that group of calf muscles, they all get well toned. Jump Chaturanga Dandasana. Jump Uttanasana. Flex the knee, Utkatasana. These movements greatly enhance the ability of the anti-gravity muscles. Slowly come up, Namaskarasana. Press the palm. So in all these movements, a coordinated breathing is very essential. It comes with practice. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend back. Complete spinal column gets a good hyperextension. Inhale, come up. Flex the knee. Knee and ankle are greatly benefited in this Utkatasana. Bend forward, Uttanasana. Jump Chaturanga Dandasana, foot perpendicular. And jump Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, stretch the toes back. And jump Adho Mukha Svanasana, arms straight, legs straight. These kind of jumping movements also help our muscles and joints. Right leg forward, Virabhadrasana 1. Press the outer edge of the left foot. In Virabhadrasana 1, the heel should be as the one by the side of the other. Ensure that you tighten the back of the right thigh. Come back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stretch the spine. left leg forward, Virabhadrasana 1. The left foot should come in one straight between the palm. Right leg straight. Move back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Jump Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Well, open the chest. Look up. Jump Chaturanga Dandasana. From here, jump Uttanasana. Legs straight. Flex the knee, come to Utkatasana. From here, extend the knee, come to Namaskarasana. These repetitive movements also help to burn a lot of kilocalories. That is, a lot of unwanted fat in the system can be very well managed or controlled with these set of movements. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend back. Urdhvasana. Rejuvenate the complete spinal column and the paraspinal muscles. Inhale, come up, exhale, flex the knee, chest and navel up. Gets a good control for the knee. Inhale, exhale, bend forward, Uttanasana. Neck should be relaxed. Inhale, exhale, jump Chaturanga Dandasana. Neck, trunk and legs parallel. Inhale, exhale, jump Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Well, open the chest. Tighten the muscles of the arms. Jump Adho Mukha Svanasana. Press the foot. Press the palm. Stretch the spine. Breathe at ease. Inhale, exhale. Right leg forward. Virabhadrasana 2. Stretch both arms. Look up at your right palm. You must stretch the arms, but ensure that the scapulae glide closer to one another. Move back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Take your left leg forward, Virabhadrasana 2. Look at your left palm, stretch both arms in the same line. Ensure that the hip girdle does not rotate. Move to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Arms straight, legs straight. Jump Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Press the palm. Jump Adho Mukha, jump Chaturanga Dandasana. Jump Uttanasana. Flex the knee, Utkatasana. Slowly come up, Namaskarasana. Press the palm. These movements help the joints to gain a good control in all the movements. Inhale, stretch the arms. Exhale, bend back, Urdhvasana. Inhale, come up. Exhale, flex the knee, Utkatasana. Ensure that the knee does not overshoot the toes. Inhale, exhale, bend forward, Uttanasana. Legs straight. From here, inhale, as exhale, jump Chaturanga Dandasana. Elbows closer. Breathe well. Jump Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Jump Adho Mukha Svanasana. Arms straight, legs straight. Right leg forward. Trikonasana. Hold the ankle joint. So we are repeating with Trikonasana, Parshakonasana, Virabhadrasana 1 and 2. Come back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Arms straight, legs straight. Take your left leg forward, hold the ankle joint, both legs straight, Trikonasana. Look up at your right palm. So in this form of sun salutation, you not only get forward backward bending, you also get sideward bending. Move to Adho Mukha Svanasana. It also helps to burn more kilocalories because of the nature of the movements and the jumping that are involved. Jump Urdhva Mukha. Arms straight, legs straight. Stretch the toes back. Jump Chaturanga. Jump Uttanasana. So you should learn to maintain the accuracy during jumping. Flex the knee, come to Utkatasana. Slowly extend the knee, Namaskarasana. Press the palm, chest and navel up. Learn to breathe well. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend back. Inhale, come up. Flex the knee, Utkatasana. Inhale, exhale, Uttanasana. Bend forward. Press the palm by the side of the foot. Jump Chaturanga Dandasana, elbows closer to the trunk. Jump Urdhva Mukha. In all these movements, watch the wrist. It takes loading in varied ways. So that's how these movements help the wrist, the elbows and the shoulder joints. Jump Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right leg forward, Uttita Parshakonasana. Right hand fingertips by the side of the right foot. Press the right upper arm, right knee. Turn the trunk, stretch your left arm. Straighten the back of the right thigh. Press the outer edge of the left foot. Turn the pelvis. Inhale, exhale, move to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Chain, left leg. In one stride, the foot should come between the palm. Keep the left hand fingertips on the floor in front. Grip the left upper arm, left knee. Roll the pelvis, stretch your right arm. Breathe well. Inhale, exhale, move to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Arm straight, legs straight. Jump Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Chaturanga Dandasana. Jump Uttanasana. Flex the knee, Utkatasana. Come to Namaskarasana. The jumping sequences also strengthen some of the very important muscles and also gives a good control for the movements. Press the palm. Now inhale, stretch, exhale, bend back, Urdhvasana. Very good backward bend. Inhale, come up. Exhale, flex the knee, Utkatasana. Bend forward, Uttanasana. Neck should be relaxed. Press the palms by the side of the foot. Now jump Chaturanga Dandasana. Jump Urdhva Mukha. Well, open the chest. Stretch the toes. Jump Adho Mukha. Stretch the spine. Press the palm. Take your right leg forward, Virabhadrasana. One right leg bent at 90 degrees. In Virabhadrasana, one heel should be as the one by the side of the other. Press the outer edge of the left foot. Stretch both arms up. Move to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Arms straight, legs straight. Left foot forward, Virabhadrasana 1. Stretch both arms. Tighten the left hamstrings, back of the thigh. Right leg absolutely straight. Move to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Jump Urdhva Mukha. Jump Chaturanga. Jump Uttanasana. Flex the knee, Utkatasana. Extend the knee, slowly come up, Namaskarasana. The jumping movements add a special benefit in terms of giving a sort of dynamic stability to the major joints of our body. Inhale, stretch, exhale, bend back. Inhale, come up, exhale, flex the knee, Utkatasana. Strengthens the knee, ankle, bend forward, Uttanasana, gives a good forward bend. Jump, Chaturanga Dandasana, strengthens the elbows, wrist, also the back. Jump, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, gives a good hyperextension to the complete spinal column. Jump Adho Mukha Svanasana, a very nice hip flexion, good stretch for the spine, good for the arms and the legs. Take your right leg forward, Virabhadrasana 2. Look at your right palm. Stretch both arms in the same line. The pelvic girdle should not turn. Move to Adho Mukha Svanasana, arms straight, legs straight. Chain. Inhale, exhale, left foot forward, Virabhadrasana 2. Left leg bent at 90 degrees. Stretch both arms. Look at your left palm. Move to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Arms and leg straight. Jump Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Well, open the chest. Jump Chaturanga Dandasana. Watch your elbows. Jump Urdhva Mukha. Stretch the toes. Jump Chaturanga. Jump Urdhva Mukha. Tighten the muscles of the upper arm. Jump Chaturanga. Jump Urdhva Mukha. Well, open the chest. Jump Chaturanga. Jump Uttanasana. Legs straight. Flex the knee, come to Utkatasana. Extend the knee, come to Namaskarasana. These repetitive movements sometimes further reinforce the strength and stability. Inhale, stretch, exhale, bend back. Urdhvasana. Inhale, come up. Exhale, flex the knee, Utkatasana. Bend forward, Uttanasana. And jump Chaturanga Dandasana. Jump Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Jump Adho Mukha Svanasana. Arms straight, legs straight. Right leg forward, hold the ankle joint, both legs straight. Uttita Trikonasana. Very good for both the legs. A good sideward bending for the complete trunk. Good stretch for the arms. Look up at your left palm. Move to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Arms straight, legs straight. Left leg forward, Trikonasana. Hold the ankle joint. Stretch both arms. Stretch both arms, but allow the scapulae to move closer so that chest is well elevated. Breathe well. Now move to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Jump Urdhva Mukha. That controlled jumping is very essential. You should not harm the joints. Jump Chaturanga Dandasana. Jump Uttanasana. Flex the knee, come to Utkatasana. Slowly come up, Namaskarasana. Controlled jumping helps us to improve the so-called proprioceptive abilities. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend back. Urdhvasana. Inhale, come up. Exhale, flex the knee. Utkatasana. Stretch both arms, chest up, navel up. Thigh parallel to the ground. Inhale, exhale, bend forward. Uttanasana. Press the palm. Jump Chaturanga Dandasana. Elbows closer to the ground. Jump Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Open the chest. Jump Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right leg forward, Uttita Parshva Konasana. Right hand fingertips on the floor. Press the right upper arm and right knee turn. Tighten the back of the right thigh. Turn the pelvis and stretch your left arm. Turn the neck also. Move to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Take your left leg forward, Uttita Parshva Konasana. Grip the left upper arm and left knee, turn the right shoulder. Breathe at ease. Move to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Arms straight, legs straight. Jump Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Open the chest. Lift the neck up the clavicle. Jump Chaturanga. Jump Uttanasana. Inhale, exhale, Utkatasana. Slowly come up, Namaskarasana. Namaskarasana. You have to inhale and stretch the arms. Exhale, bend back. Very good for the complete pelvis, abdomen, chest. Inhale, come up. Exhale, flex the knee, Utkatasana. Bend forward, Uttanasana. Jump Chaturanga, elbows closer, jump Urdhva Mukha, stretch the toes back, knee and thigh up, jump Adho Mukha Svanasana, arms straight, legs straight. Take your right leg forward, bent at 90 degrees, rise both arms of Virabhadrasana 1. Tighten the right hamstring and the calf muscle. Move back to Adho Mukha Svanasana, arms straight, legs straight. Left leg forward. Virabhadrasana 1. Although you are doing a continuous type of movement, you should not lose the integrity of the posture. Each posture should be done well. Move to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Jump Urdhva Mukha. Jump Chaturanga. Jump Uttanasana. Rise both arms up, flex the knee, Utkatasana. Slowly come up, Namaskarasana. Press the palm. Get connected with your breath. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend back. Urdhvasana. Inhale, come up. Exhale, flex the knee. Utkatasana. Bend forward, Uttanasana. Jump Chaturanga. Jump Urdhva Mukha. Jump Adho Mukha Svanasana. Legs straight, arms straight, press the palm. Take your right leg forward. Virabhadrasana 2. Look at your right palm. Stretch both arms evenly. Move to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg forward, Virabhadrasana 2. Look at your left palm. So when done continuously, these movements greatly help in maintaining proper weight balance for our body. Move to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Jump Urdhva Mukha. Jump Adho Mukha. Jump Urdhva Mukha. Stretch the toes. Jump Chaturanga. Jump Urdhva Mukha. Jump Chaturanga. Jump Urdhva Mukha. Chaturanga. Jump Uttanasana. Flex the knee, Utkatasana. Chest and navel up, arms straight. Extend the knee, slowly come up, Namaskarasana. Now just be relaxed. Sit in Swastikasana on a folded blanket, hips on the blanket, foot on the floor, Sit upright with palms facing upward, tip of the thumb and index finger in contact, eyes gently closed, relax your tongue, nose, throat and the jaws. Just pay attention to the breathing. These set of movements help in improving our circular respiratory response, our ability to have more endurance, and they do help now. Keep a blanket for the neck, lie down in Shavasana, stretch both legs, chin towards the chest, spread the arms by the side of the trunk, relax the foot, the neck should be at the center. Watch your toes, base of the foot, the ankle joint, the lower legs, both the knees, region of the thighs, the groin region, the region of the pelvis. Just watch. And the abdominal cavity, the lower back, and watch the diaphragm. Watch your chest cavity completely, and the shoulder complex, shoulder blades, shoulder joints, upper arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, base of the palms, fingers, fingertips, and again the palms, wrists, forearms, elbows, upper arms, shoulder joint, throat and the neck, facial muscles and organs. Just pay attention. No voluntary movements at the starting point in Shavasana. Voluntary movements should cease to exist. Watch your facial muscles, the chin and the cheek, the lips, teeth, tongue, gums, the nasal cavities, region by the side of the nose, the eyes, the eyeballs, the eyelids, region of the temples, the meeting point of the two eyebrows. Watch your forehead, watch the complete skull cavity. And now just watch your breathing. Don't have to do anything, just learn to be a witness to the breathing. Breathing happens involuntarily. You remain as a witness. To watch the subtle movements associated with breathing. Be focused on the breathing. Do not manipulate the breath, but just watch the breath. Air comes in on its own, goes out on its own. You be a witness. If you can do that, that is a good training for the mind to be in that state of meditation. So all these things we have to use ultimately to help our mind to become better. Now fold your left leg, roll on to the right side, press the palm, slowly get up, sit on the blanket, hips on the blanket, foot on the floor. Namaste.